Good morning everyone. Today we will revise chapter number 7 from your English first book, Two Little Kittens. Okay, so I am going to explain chapter 7, Two Little Kittens. In this chapter I will tell you, students, that if you are fighting unnecessary that can be a big trouble. Okay, create a big trouble, so don't fighting. So first of all I will tell you who is the poet of this poem. Jan Teller was poet, okay, of this poem, and she was the great poet and novelist also. She wrote the words for the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in 1806 at the age of 23. The poem is now known worldwide, but its author has not been remembered so well. It was first published under the title The Star in Rhymes for the Nursery, a collection of poems by Teller and her older sister. Okay, so in this chapter I will tell you about two little kittens. Dear students, listen carefully. And they were fighting, and why they are fighting and what happened with them. Okay, so also I will tell you, so please come on next page. First of all I want to read the poem. Two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that's the way the quarrel began. I'll have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You'll have that mouse? We'll see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shan't have the mouse, said the little one. I told you before 'twas a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two kittens right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they let them down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Look at here everyone. Here is two kittens, one small and one elder. Okay, so first stanza. Two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that's the way the quarrel began. Stormy means, that time I told you means very cold night. Stormy night means very cold night. Okay, so in this stanza the poet says there were two little kittens. Look here, here is two little kittens. Okay, so they were fighting in a cold night. Stormy night means cold night. Okay, so because why they were fighting? Because one kid was having mouse and second was having nothing. So that was the reason of fight between them. Okay, because of one cat has mouse, having mouse, and second cat was having nothing. So that was the reason to fight between them. Okay, the second stanza. I'll have that mouse, said the biggest cat. And you'll have that mouse? We'll see about that. I'll have the mouse, said the eldest one. You shan't have the mouse, said the little one. Means in second stanza the poet was to say that The biggest cat na, here is the biggest cat na, was saying, I will take that mouse. And second one, baby cat will saying, oh, you will take that mouse. Okay, we will see again. Okay. So, now biggest cat again say, I will take the mouse, and because it's mine. Mine means ये मेरा है. Okay. And second cat say, no, you will take this mouse. That is, they were fighting a lot at the cold night. Stormy night means very cold night, and they were fighting a lot. Okay. Yes. Next, I told you before it was a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two kittens right out of the room. Okay, as I told you before, it was a stormy night. Now means poet says already told you there was a cold night and there was much winter. And when they were fighting now, cats were fighting now. It was a very cold night, है ना? So they were fighting in a room, but there were also a woman, old woman. Okay, so the poet says already told us there was a very cold night and the ground was completely. How was the ground? A thin layer, okay. Because of there was old woman, sister sweeping broom. Means उसके पास क्या था? Broom था ना, sweeping. उसने क्या किया? Seized means clutched and snatched, strongly पकड़ना. And because they were fighting in the room now, and old women come in the room, है ना? Listen carefully. Old woman come in the room. She seized her broom to them, and both came out in the room, and they were forced to stay night out of the room all night in a cold night. Okay. So the ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they laid them down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. In the last stanza, the poet was to say already told us there was a cold night and the ground was completely covered with a thin layer. Frost means a thin layer of ice and snow. So the ground was completely covered with a thin layer of ice and snow. So that time cats didn't have to go any place, anywhere. Okay. So kittens were not having any place to go anywhere because of old women already get out of them, from the room, and the ground was completely covered with ice and snow. It's called frost. Okay. Then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and cold as ice, for they found it was better that stormy night to lie down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. So, what is the meaning of crept? Means move slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard. Move very slowly and carefully. Okay. So at the end, they both are slowly and carefully came in the room, inside the room. Okay, all wet with snow and cold is ice. Wet means covered with water on another liquid. Okay, quiet means, yes, everybody knows now, making little or no noise. Okay, and for the found it was better the stormy night to lie down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. At the end, both are realized कि हम लोगों को लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, है ना. अच्छा होता कि हम अंदर ही रहते. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर we are learn about that we should not be fight this much that other people, okay, should have problem, create so many problems. When we are continuously fight to each other, we should create so many problem. Okay, so I hope this chapter you have understood. And you have to learn word meanings also. Stormy means showing sign of a storm. Seized means clutched or snatched strongly. Frost, a thin layer of ice on the ground. Okay. CREPT, crept means move slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard. Okay. WET, wet means covered with water or another liquid. Okay, QUIET, quiet means making little or no noise. Okay.